Uh, Good morning. I'm Robert Lobotan from Colegio de Muntinlupa. Just to give you a background, we're an engineering school located in Muntinlupa City. This school is funded by the local government of Muntinlupa. So we're here because we also have efforts to help the IC design industry, specifically in Muntinlupa, because in Muntinlupa po, I think there are 13 IC design companies located in Muntinlupa. So there has been initial talks specifically with scientists to create an ecosystem that would be sustainable, and yung goal na po is to help the IC design industry, because as what was mentioned earlier, there's a scarcity of manpower that is necessary for that IC design industry. So, thank you.
Hello, good morning everyone. I'm Alexander Abad from Assistant Professor under Electronics and Communications Engineering Department of De La Salle University. As a little background, I work in R&D Rome LSI, is an IC design company for 2 years, and I worked for 3 years as a test development engineer at Analog Devices Philippines, and before going to the academy. My master's is related to microelectronics, but my PhD is related to computer science and informatics. And specifically, I'm working now in robotics and haptics, but I have an advocacy to promote open source IC design tools. If you will search using Google, there is a movement right now that is growing in different parts of the world, especially in the US, UK, and EU. The tagline is democratizing IC design using open source IC design tools. I have, as part of my little contribution to information sharing related to the IC design, I created a page. It's an FB page entitled IC Design Libre, where I put all information related to different tutorials, lectures related to IC design to make the Filipino students aware of what is IC design. Thank you.
I'm Cory Chosamo from the VOI Industry Development Services, Bosco Post Secretary.
So, hi, good morning. Prod from the Electronics Industry Association of the Philippines. So, we are focused on design, whether that's in semiconductor products. I'm also part of Ionics ENS, which is one of the largest electronics manufacturing and design companies in the world.
Hi, I'm Shri Abuelo, work for Science. I have a total of 3 years, I think, if I'm not mistaken, the total engineers, total IC design engineers. We have at Science 328. And to give that the background, I really wanted this to happen. Our engineers and scientists are the ones who design the technology that will come out 5-7 years from now. So, I really want to push this because it's becoming a problem again. I also work with CDM, Colegio de Muntinlupa. We also provided them kung ilang R&D companies na nakatago sa Muntinlupa. Okay. So those are, majority of them are multinational companies, so it will not, it will be very hard for them to join the movement, but they are very supportive. I also would like to thank, just like, Mayor Biasco talaga supported CBM, supported the EA posts. Very, very, very special. And that's also the reason why we're working with CBM because of these tools. So we're promoting sa mga estudyante, we're also promoting from north to south. We go all the way to Aparili, down to Mindanao to promote ICT design engineers. So ICT, so the microelectronics. Okay? So yun yung ginagawa namin sa science design. So I'm just very, very lucky with my partners na yung advocacy namin is not just to sustain, but to make sure yung mga estudyante awareness kung kung bakit importante yung ICT design industry sa Pilipinas. So yun yung awareness na ibibigay namin sa mga bata and also awareness sa media on how to focus on the semiconductor. Ano yung flow ng semiconductor. And I think Dr. Yuli already explained how it works. So, just like what I said, we design, yung mga engineers namin sa science design, yun yung mga brain, yung mga IC design, that the technology will come out again 5, 7, or 10 years from now. So, ganun katatalino yung mga Pilipino talaga. So, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone. Our next question is coming from, I saw Reggie, but let's go to him.